before you read, so you have a review that how the books are and what it does. So let's go in. So guys, this is a bit quiet. We need to be a bit quiet because there is a lot of books here and some readers are also there. So these are the books we have here. These are the Marathi section, and so here we have some more books, and they are also in Marathi. We have a upper section also, which is up, and there are so many books, and I'm loving it. This book. Let's go. And this is also a place. And this is all about. We have here also books. It's really big collection is there with us. It has many branches. There is a board here. So now let's go up. So right, this is a really big collection of English books. We even have here Marathi books also, upper section there. And here we have kids section, other sections, and now we are gonna meet Pai sir, who is a member of annual library on his name only. So come.
Yes.
Hello sir.
Hello.
So he's Pai sir, and he's a really good person. I just talked to him that I'm gonna make a video, and he directly said yes. So that's a really good thing. Thank you.
Yes.
So we are gonna have a small questionnaire.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask you some questions about the library, about the books and all. So, like, when you got the idea of starting the library?
Since childhood, I am developed reading habit, and I read books like Shivaji Maharaj, then Rani Lakshmibai, and all these leaders. Okay. From there, I have got this reading habit.
So I love this thing that we have got a so great person. Like first, no one used to get this ideas of library, and we started a library. तो यहाँ पे बुक एक्सचेंज भी हो चुका है, and which was like last year.
Last year.
So it was really big, and I even saw that there 5 books were given to each kid of Dombivli's student. So that was a really good thing. So when you started this library, which was like the first branch?
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैंने जो चालू किया था ना जो लाइब्रेरी, वो 1986 में तिलक नगर में चला गया था डोंबिवली में। तो तभी डोंबिवली में बहुत सारे लाइब्रेरी थे और पढ़ने वाले भी बहुत सारे थे। तो एक जो रीडर्स है उनका 2-3 लाइब्रेरी हुआ करती थी, क्योंकि एक यहाँ पे अगर बुक खत्म होता है तो दूसरी लाइब्रेरी, दूसरी से तीसरी लाइब्रेरी, और एक घर में नहीं बोला तो भी 4 से 5 लोग पढ़ने वाले थे। तो एक बुक लेकर आते हैं तो पढ़ के पूरा होने के लिए 8-10 दिन लगते हैं। तो इसके लिए वो लोगों ने क्या किया कि 2-3 लाइब्रेरी डाल दिया, और डोंबिवली में बहुत सारे लाइब्रेरी थे जहाँ पे आज नहीं बोला तो भी ऐसा 1000 मेंबर्स थे। तो मैंने 1986 में स्टार्ट किया लाइब्रेरी, और अभी तक वो चला था।
So we even want to know कितने ब्रांचेस हैं?
स्टार्ट तो किया था एक ब्रांच से, इन 100 बुक्स। अभी उसका टोटल अभी 7 ब्रांचेस हुए हैं इन डोंबिवली, और हम लोग पूरा मुंबई, पुणे, नासिक यहाँ पे होम डिलीवरी करते हैं। यानी कि अगर कोई बुक का ऑर्डर करता है तो जो ऑर्डर किया हुआ बुक्स है वो नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग उनके घर पे या तो ऑफिस में भेजते हैं। उसमें किड्स सेक्शन भी है, उर्दू का है, इंग्लिश है, मराठी है, मैगजीन्स है, नॉवेल्स है, और दिवाली मैगजीन्स है।
सो मतलब कोई दूर रहता होता तो भी वो बुक्स ले सकता है, पढ़ सकता है।
यस यस यस।
तो अगर किसी को भी पढ़ना है या बुक चाहिए, इस सिचुएशन में कोरोना है, तो अभी भी डिलीवरी हो रही है?
हाँ, अभी तो हम लोग पूरा थाना मुलुक, डोंबिवली, कल्याण और पूना तक हम लोग बुक भेजते हैं। बाकी का जो है थोड़ा एरिया जो है जहाँ पे ट्रेन अभी चालू नहीं हुआ है उसको हो सके उतना जल्दी कर रहे हैं। और डोंबिवली में हम लोगों ने सुबह 8 बजे से लेकर 12 बजे तक सब ब्रांचेस खुले रहे हैं, तो आप कहीं पे भी जाके बुक्स चेंज कर सकते
Really good. If you live in Dombivli, you guys can surely check it out. It's a really big collection of books. It has books for teens, books for your grandparents, mom, dad, everyone can read. Even kids section is there, as he told. So, अभी ये तो हुआ ठीक है, but जो अपने फर्स्ट प्राइस क्या रखा था? फर्स्ट
हैं। तो जब भी स्टार्टिंग किया था तभी 30 रुपीज़ डिपॉजिट था और 15 रुपीज़ मंथली फीस था।
सो नाइस।
यस,
और अभी का क्या है, अगर किसी को ज्वाइन करना हो तो क्या है?
अभी अगर किसी को ज्वाइन करना है तो 300 रुपीज़ रिफंडेबल डिपॉजिट है, 170 रुपीज़ मंथली चार्जेस है और 100 रुपीज़ फर्स्ट का एक ही रजिस्ट्रेशन है। इनिशियल अमाउंट 500 से होगा।
तो इतना एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं है, इट्स रियली अफोर्डेबल गाइस, एंड यू गाइस मस्ट चेक इट आउट एंड गेट अ रीडिंग हैबिट, एंड यू गाइस कैन मतलब दे कैन अभी इस सिचुएशन में बुक्स कितने लेके जा सकते हैं?
अभी हम लोग एट ए टाइम 5 to 6 बुक्स दे रहे हैं, तो वो रीड करके उनको 15-20 दिन के बाद में आते हैं। यानी कि अगर हम लोग एक बुक देते तो जल्दी रीड हो करके होगा, तो अगर 5 बुक देते तो उसको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, तो उतना हमारे यहाँ रश भी कम होगा और उतना उनको यूटिलाइज भी करना।
Perfect social distancing is going downstairs, upstairs. Perfectly, it's being organized. The books are very organized. I'll even give you a view of the library, but a bit later. So, thank you, sir. It is really good
Yes.
listening your things and seeing. Like, this is the first branch of library in Tilak Nagar Road. So, look, guys. Now I'll give you all
Just a minute, I want to talk to you about you.
Yeah.
मान्यता का कल जब भी फोन आया था तो मुझे लगा कि कोई तो बड़ी लड़की है जिसने यूट्यूब चैनल चालू किया है या ब्लॉग चालू किया है, मगर जब भी मैं मिला आज तो ये तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ बहुत ही छोटे उम्र में ये कर रही है, तो इसका ये बहुत बड़ा काम है क्योंकि आजकल रीडिंग हैबिट बच्चों में कम होते जा रहा है। वहाँ पे ये बच्चों को रीडिंग हैबिट लगाने का जो काम कर रही है उसके लिए हैट्स ऑफ।
Thank you, class. So let's now get a tour of library. So guys, I'll show you my books which I have been taking. I am taking 4 books. I know they will finish off fast, but let's take 4 books. And this is the book. If you guys want the review, tell me in the comment. This is also one book. This is a book of Kalpana Chawla and an encyclopedia. And like really good, no library is being giving, every library gives one book at a time, but in this situation they are understanding the people's feelings and giving 5 books or like 4 books at a time. So this is really nice. So now let's have a look at library. These are the books like health, self-help, and this
Authors, different authors.
Harlan
Harold
Ford.
Coben.
Then so many are there. Ruskin Bond, I guess it's ahead. Then Jack Higgins. We have here also some books: Spyglass, Shadow Study, Inside Out. Then Foreign Given. We have here also like this big novels, so it's very nice. Here also we have books. Now this is a kids section starting from here. Like Nancy, Hardy Boys, really good of books. Then there's Testing Time and Tingle Bell and Friends. Just keep my books. This is my favorite author, Geronimo Stilton, Thea Stilton, and all those things are there like Mouseford Academy, then Treasure of Sea, The Secret Snow, then the Dragon of Fortune. So many are there. Here also we have some different authors and the Mystery of Missing Man. Here also these are for books only. I'll show you. These are some of our freedom fighters books. All of them are there. So many. Kalpana Chawla is one of them I have took now. And this is for the small kids. Like the small section kids can read. Snow White and Other Tales. All of the really good books are there here. The Story for Girls. Here we have many books are there, and now, as he told, we can do 5 books at a time. We can take. So you guys can say me in the comments which books review you want. So I'll surely read the comments and do it. We have here also the classic books. These are there. Then classic, so good collection we have here. Then these are some books and so many. These are also Harry Potter. Yeah, they're ups. You guys, if you are a Harry Potter lover, surely you can have here. Then we have Night Rise. I know many kids like this books. Then your Warriors. This side also we have some Vampire Boy, Trouble with Magic. Then Timmy in Tangles. Wow. So means it's having so good like the collection also. The books are even really good. Then biographies. These are the APJ Abdul Kalam sir's biography, which I love. You Are Unique. Then here also G.R.D. Tata. Then Cold Steel. Trump. Many are there, and the books are also really like fat, so you guys will not get bored, and the book will also not finish fast. Here also we have books. Here also we have books. Here we have some Marathi books, and we come out. Then here we have again Marathi books, as I showed you before. So this is really good. The library is also really big, and we are getting all the books, all kind of books like classic, teens can read, grandparents can read, mother, father, everyone can read, whole family. So, which is the most section which is most the books are being taken from?
Children's section.
Children's section. Wow. And we have means which are the biographies are like here kind of based on?
Biography, we are having businessman's biography, then film star's biography, then sports person's biography, and social activities. Just like Nelson Mandela. We are having a lot of biographies.
So, if you are in a sports kind of and you are just starting a habit to read, so you guys can read biographies of your favorite sport person, as he told. And if you are like in a film kind of, you like films, you are from Bollywood, then you can have the Bollywood things. So we have everything here. Each collection we have like Harry Potter, everything, Sherlock Holmes, and it's really good to come here and see the book collection and meet to you. It was really nice. Thanks for letting us do a vlog in the library. And because we can't speak louder in the library, still I am, and he allowed me. Thank you for this.
Thank you so much.
So let's now go.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks guys for watching. I hope so you like this vlog. This is the first vlog on my channel. I aim for this time 30 subscribers and 100 more likes. And go say in the comments which book you want. Did you like Vice Friends Library? Will you visit here? We have many questions. I have many questions from you guys. I give you all the questions answer, but now you guys need to give me answers and ask me questions about here. I'll surely tell in my next video. Take care and bye bye.